Adding reCAPTCHA to a website is a security measure that protects from bot attacks and stealing customer data. We will provide you a step-by-step video tutorial on how to add reCAPTCHA to your website using CreativeMinds plugins. To enable reCAPTCHA, choose option Yes in Show reCAPTCHA. To register new reCAPTCHA keys, sign up or log in your Google account. Please note that the current Google's interface may change. In this case, you can contact us if it seems different. After registration or login, you will need to register a new site. Enter your label and select the type of reCAPTCHA. The first option allows validating requests using the I'm not a robot checkbox. Then register your site domain name by entering one domain per one line into the domain's input box and accept the reCAPTCHA terms of service. Click the Register button to register your domain and get the keys. Now you have access to your reCAPTCHA keys in the key menu. Copy and paste the generated site key into the corresponding reCAPTCHA site key and the secret key into the reCAPTCHA secret key. You have watched a tutorial on how to enable reCAPTCHA using CreativeMinds plugins.